Hello. Have you ever looked at children, teenagers, or even young adults and wish you had their energy or their youthful, glowing skin? As we get older, our joints and muscles may start to ache, wrinkles and age spots start to appear, and mental fatigue makes it harder for us to focus on everyday tasks. Well, the reason that you often appear to be the epitome of health and vitality is due to their body's ability to constantly generate stem cells. These master cells play a primary role in the development of all the organs of the body: joints, brain, skin, bones, immune system, and every other part of our anatomy. In other words, none of the structures in our body can function without stem cells. Unfortunately, as we age, stem cell production gradually decreases. In fact, by the age of 35, stem cell production decreases about 45%. This drops to 50% by the age of 50. And there is a 90% decrease in stem cell production by the age of 65. Given these facts, there is no surprise that health can dramatically start to decline with age. Fortunately, there's a way to unlock continuous stem cell activity with stem cell release factor, a revolutionary nutritional supplement that helps reduce the signs of aging. This breakthrough anti-aging supplement is backed by years of stem cell research and clinical studies that show that certain plant-based nutrients activate and release stem cells from our bone marrow. This leads to continuous circulation of stem cells that support cell growth and repair for restored youth. Stem cell release factor contains four powerful phytonutrients that naturally enhance stem cell growth. Seed backhorn berries is one of the main ingredients that influence the number of specific stem cells in blood circulation that are involved in important repair and regenerative functions. Another important ingredient is AFA extract, type of blue-green algae that has been shown through research to produce the growth and release of various types of stem cells to different parts of the body. They also added bucodin, which is an extract of brown seaweed that heightens immune system activity, enhance natural nerve cell production, and support blood vessel health by targeting harmful invaders and oxidative stress that can disrupt stem cell production. To ensure exceptional absorption of these nutrients, piperine, a potent black pepper extract, was included. Clinical studies show that piperine boosts nutrient absorption by up to 300%. Together, this blend of phytonutrients not only boosts number of circulating stem cells, but also enhances the regeneration of blood vessels for improved circulation, supports the clearance of foreign invaders, targets oxidative stress that can damage stem cells, and helps improve immune system responses. Stem cell release factor is truly a fountain of youth that sustains the body's ability to continuously produce exponential numbers of stem cells. There's no need for gels, experimental chemicals, or risky procedures that simply mask the signs of aging. Stem cell release factor naturally rejuvenates the stem cell process, leaving you with healthy cells that help you feel younger, stronger, and mentally sharper than you ever have before. And this presents a huge money making opportunity for you. Release a younger version of yourself today and put money in your pocket. The link is in the description below. Now, I want to tell you a little bit about this product here. It's called Stem Cell Release Factor by a company called Greatlife Worldwide. This is a company that's been around for 12 years, but it has released a new enhanced uh, money making uh, program that pays much more than any other network marketing program that's out. So join me today, okay? And if you want to make some money, if you want to increase your health, okay, the link is at the bottom. Join me. I'm the champion guy, one of over 300 and 356 trophies in a matter of 8 years. I was once told in high school I didn't have enough speed for a sprinter or enough endurance for a distance runner. I proved them all through the years and now. Again, this is the champion guy, and you have a wonderful day.